Hello! In this video series, we will learn 100 useful Chinese phrases that you can use while studying in China. These common phrases will help you improve your spoken Chinese and enhance your communication with Chinese people during your university or campus life. This is the first video in the series. In this video, we'll cover 33 phrases that you can use in various situations, including communicating with your classmates, asking the teacher for permission, selecting classes, and more. Each phrase will be repeated 3 times. The first time at a slow speed, and 2 more times at a natural speed. Let's get started. 你好，你好，你好，老师好，老师好，老师好。你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？我叫 Amy， 我叫 Amy， 我叫 Amy。你上午有课吗？你上午有课吗？你上午有课吗？我上午没课。我上午没课。我上午没课。我下午有课，但是我要翘课。我下午有课，但是我要翘课。我下午有课，但是我要翘课。In addition to 翘课, you can also use 逃课 or 旷课 to express the same idea. 逃课，逃课，旷课，旷课。When you are in K-12, if you don't come to your class, your teacher will notice immediately. However, in universities, especially with classes with a large number of students, most teachers don't notice. As a teacher, I don't recommend skipping classes. 不去上课吗？不去上课吗？不去上课吗？现在就去。现在就去。现在就去。今天老师点名了吗？今天老师点名了吗？今天老师点名了吗？ Some university classes have a large number of students, so 2 common methods are used to take attendance. Method 1 is roll call, or 点名, where the professor takes attendance by calling out each student's name before the class starts or when the class is about to end. When the professor calls your name, you have to say 到 to indicate that you are present. Method 2 is using a signing sheet, or 签到, where students write their names on a sheet provided by the professor. When I was a university student, my professors took attendance using the signing sheet method. Nowadays, with the rapid technological development in China, it is common to sign in using a mobile phone. According to my friend, who is a university professor, she takes her students' attendance on her mobile phone. Some teachers even provide a QR code that you can scan with your mobile phone to fill in your information. 快点，要迟到了。快点，要迟到了。快点，要迟到了。请进，请进，请进。我想去卫生间。 我想去卫生间。我想去卫生间。There are several ways to say bathroom in Chinese. You can say 卫生间、厕所 or 洗手间。卫生间、卫生间。厕所、厕所。洗手间、洗手间。If you normally don't squat, you might want to start practicing squatting. Chinese toilets are normally squat style. You will find bathrooms with a toilet in private houses or sometimes in luxury shopping centers. However, in public restrooms, it is likely going to be the Chinese style toilet. So practice squatting. 我想请假。我想请假。我想请假。我想请病假。我想请病假。我想请病假。你选了什么课？你选了什么课？你选了什么课？这个课难吗？这个课难吗？这个课难吗？这个课好过吗？这个课好过吗？这个课好过吗？ In this context, 过 means to pass an exam or a class. For example, 你数学考试过了吗？你数学考试过了吗？这个老师的课不好过。这个老师的课不好过。When choosing elective classes, you can ask your classmates whether a class is easy or difficult to pass, or if a professor is strict. 这个老师严吗？这个老师严吗？这个老师严吗？你几点下课？你几点下课？你几点下课？我好饿，一会儿吃什么？我好饿，一会儿吃什么？我好饿，一会儿吃什么？去吃饭吗？去吃饭吗？去吃饭吗？现在食堂好多人。现在食堂好多人。现在食堂好多人。食堂，食堂 means food hall. In English, it's commonly translated as cafeteria or dining hall. The cafeterias or dining halls in Chinese universities are usually ginormous, often spanning multiple floors, as they have to serve dozens of people simultaneously. At the end of classes, many students go to the cafeteria at once, making it difficult to find a place to sit or resulting in long waiting lines. As a result, when people are not in a rush or not particularly hungry, they prefer to stagger their mealtime. 食堂二楼的刀削面很好吃。食堂二楼的刀削面很好吃。食堂二楼的刀削面很好吃。 帮我带一份饭。帮我带一份饭。帮我带一份饭。When I was in university, my roommate frequently used this phrase. She was too lazy to go to the cafeteria, so she would ask me to bring her a serving. 我要叫外卖。我要叫外卖。我要叫外卖。我去拿外卖。我去拿外卖。我去拿外卖。In China, food delivery apps are very popular and widely used. Almost all young people use these apps. It takes anywhere between 30 to 60 minutes to deliver the food to your house. It is very convenient. However, when you are at a school or university, the delivery person is not allowed to enter the student's residential building, and sometimes they are not even allowed to enter the campus. Therefore, students have to go outside to pick out their food. 我去取快递。我去取快递。我去取快递。帮我取一下快递。帮我取一下快递。帮我取一下快递。Online shopping is very common in China. Even my aunt, who is 70 years old and lives in a small town, knows how to shop online. There are so many online shopping websites. The three websites on the screen are the largest ones in China. Taobao, a service provided by the Alibaba Group. It is the largest shopping website in China. You can pretty much buy anything and everything you need on Taobao. Pinduoduo offers very affordable items. Jingdong. It is famous for offering products with quality guarantees. You can shop with confidence that you are getting the real deal and not some counterfeit products. In addition, Jingdong offers home delivery. Home delivery. You may be wondering, don't all websites offer home delivery service? Actually, most shopping websites work with parcel delivery companies. In the past, these parcel delivery companies will knock on the customer's door and then hand the package over. However, they don't do that anymore. These days, they will put the packages at a 快递驿站, 快递驿站, or 快递点. It's a place where your packages are held temporarily for you to pick up. To simplify the following explanation, we'll translate 快递驿站 as pickup station. 快递驿站 or the pickup station is usually located in a place near the deliver to address. For example, if you place an online order with your home address as the deliver to address, then your package will arrive at a pickup station near your home. You will receive a message from the pickup station with a code when your package arrives at the pickup station. With that code, you can then pick up your package at the pickup station. Some people like this kind of service because they are very busy and are not home normally. It is safe and convenient for them to go pick up the package after they get off work. However, some people don't like this kind of service. For me, my mom is home every day, so I prefer to have my packages delivered to my house. Otherwise, my mom will have to walk for 5 to 6 minutes to pick up the package. If there are multiple packages arriving throughout the day, then she will have to go there multiple times. This is why I prefer to shop at Jingdong. Jingdong has a home delivery service. They don't drop the packages off at 快递驿站 pickup station. They deliver the packages to your home. 我饭卡丢了。我饭卡丢了。我饭卡丢了。饭卡 means meal card. Depending on the school or university, you may hear different names for this card. For example, you might hear one of the following words: 校园卡、校园卡、一卡通、一卡通、就餐卡、 就餐卡，学生卡，学生卡。First, you load money onto the card. Then you can use it in most places at your school or university. You can use it to make purchases in stores on campus, pay for access to take a shower in the public bathroom, buy food in the cafeteria, and so on. Since its main and most common use is to buy food in the cafeteria, students often call it 饭卡 meal card. 我饭卡没钱了。我饭卡没钱了。我饭卡没钱了。饭卡借我用一下。饭卡借我用一下。饭卡借我用一下。我学生证丢了，你知道在哪里补办吗？我学生证丢了，你知道在哪里补办吗？我学生证丢了，你知道在哪里补办吗？学生证 It's a certificate that proves that you are a student at a university. With a 学生证, you can receive discounts at some places.